Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we are making up some candied sweet potatoes, or yams as we know them, but a lot of times we can't find yams, so we call our candied sweet potatoes candied yams. But anyway, here's what you'll be needing. Okay, now here in my pan here, I have some baked sweet potatoes. Get you maybe 4 to 5 good sized ones. I like to go with the little skinny ones, but I couldn't find those. They only had the bigger ones, but go ahead and cut these up however you like yours. You like them in circles or squares or whatever, however you like them cut. But I'm going to go ahead and cut these. I guess I'll go with cutting them in half. I'll just cut them right down the middle here. And these baked for close to an hour. You don't want them cooked all the way through because they're going to candy in the oven and they're going to continue to cook. So just maybe 45 minutes or so, depending on how large your sweet potatoes are. But you want them to be a little firm yet, but not, just don't make them or bake them till they're really soft. And then just cut them up. You don't want them real thick and you don't want them real thin, because if you cut them real thin, they're going to be too soft for you. But that's totally up to you. I'm just showing you how I do mine, and we'll just continue doing this and get these put in the pan. Okay, now on the sweet potatoes, I did bake them, as I said, maybe 45 minutes at 400 degrees. Scrub your potatoes really well, rinse them really well. I don't poke holes in them because I don't want all that sticky stuff coming out and losing all of that yumminess. So you still, like I said, you don't want to cook them till they're all the way done. And make sure you cut the ends off the sweet potatoes when you get ready to peel them. That way you don't have that stringy part. You know how the ends of the sweet potatoes have that string to them. And just cut each end of them off. And in my pan here, I have my butter melting. Now, we're going to brown this butter, and it's very important that you keep an eye on it. Don't walk away from it. We want to brown this butter till it gets a nice nutty color, but you don't want to burn it. If you burn it, you got to start over. But you'll see once that starts really, really sizzling and that foam really starts up, that's when you really want to watch it. So I'm going to continue just swirling this pan, picking it up from the heat. And once you think you're just about there with that browning, take it off, because it's going to continue to brown because it's really hot. So we'll continue to do this. Okay, guys, see all that foam there? That's when those solids on the bottom are going to start browning. And if you can't see it, move it from the stove top, and swirl it around and look at it, because you don't want this burning. We just want it nice golden brown. See there how it's going to keep cooking, so please be careful. Okay? And we are just about there. We just got maybe another minute to go here. It don't take too long. So we're just about ready. Okay, I'm there browning the butter. It's done. Now to this, you want to hurry and cool this down. Go ahead and add your sugar. Move it around. And we're going to go ahead and add in our corn syrup. Scrape it all out of there. Going to add our cinnamon and our nutmeg. And what we're basically going to do here is just cook this until it cooks down and melts. And we're going to go in with 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And this is just going to cook till everything melts and comes together. Oh, that smells so good. All right, couple minutes here, guys, till you get a light bubble and everything's dissolved. Okay, this cooked a couple of minutes just until, look at that, looks like caramel, doesn't it? Ooh, that stuff's good. Smells yummy. We all have our different ways of making these. We make these every year. Even during the year, we eat them because they are delicious. Okay, there's my sweet potatoes. I don't have my pan buttered because there's plenty of butter here. And we're going to drizzle this right over our sweet potatoes here. Get them nice and candied up. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So what's everybody having for Thanksgiving? Drop me a comment. I'd love to see what y'all's traditions are. Maybe something different from everybody else's that we can all try out. You know, we're always looking for something different. Okay. Now these are going to go in the oven. Make sure each and every one of your little sweet potatoes get some sugar on them, even though this is going to thin out and start bubbling everywhere. Okay. In the oven they go. Oven at 375 to 400. We'll cook them till they're nice and the syrup gets thick, and it'll thicken up as it sits. And probably maybe an hour. We'll see when they come out. In the oven they go. Okay, guys, there's the sweet potatoes, the candied sweet potatoes. And let me tell you, they smell so good. Now, at this point, when they come out or right before they're done, you could drizzle them with a little bit of pecans, stick them back in the oven, just let them toast up a little bit. Or you could put your marshmallows on top, stick them back in the oven, turn the broiler on if you like them a little charred, or just put them back in there without the broiler and just let them melt and get nice and gooey. But the syrup here, you can see it's already getting really thick. And the longer these sit, the more thick this is going to get. And they are so good, you guys. But mine baked for 45 minutes at 400. Okay? So Curtis is patiently waiting, as usual, over here with his hand shaking. Go ahead, son. Taste them.
Ooh, I want this top one right here.
You want that one there? I already cheated, guys. They are delicious. Let me tell you.
Oh my god.
They're good.
Those are so good.
I tell you, these are good just on their own. Give me a bowl of these by themselves and I'll do well just in my own little old corner.
I could eat that whole thing by myself.
They're delicious, guys. But we're all, like I said, looking for some sides to make up. And you guys, please share with me what you're planning on making. Give me a new tradition to add to my table, our family's table. But anyways, until next time, if I ever leave anything out, guys, go to the description. I'll try to leave it there. And I'm sorry I missed y'all yesterday. We had some problems going on with the camera, so Curtis got that fixed. So here we are sharing some nice candied sweet potatoes / yams, I guess you would say. But anyways, make y'all up some. See what your friends and family think about it. And we will see you guys next week. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.